Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft on PC and laptop Java Edition. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. First, open a browser on your laptop, then search minecraft.net. When you reach the site, click the Get Minecraft button at the top right corner, then select the type of device or PC. After that, you will be given the option to purchase a platform, but you may scroll down to the bottom of the site if you want to try the free version. Just click it to start downloading. But if you want to purchase the game, click the option of your choice and enter the payment information, then confirm the process by clicking the buy button. Download the game, then save it to your computer. When a new window pops up, put a check on the terms of service, then click install. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.